Most beginner gardeners don't kill plants by neglect, they kill them by doing too much. Watering every day, moving plants around, adding fertilizer too early. Plants don't grow faster with attention, they grow faster with consistency. Roots need time to settle into the soil. Constant changes stress plants and slow growth. Another mistake beginners make is reacting to every small change. A dropping leaf doesn't always mean a problem. Sometimes plants just need time to adjust. Overwatering is one of the fastest ways to kill a healthy plant. Wet soil blocks oxygen to the roots and causes rot. Most plants prefer drying out slightly between watering. If a plant looks stressed, the solution usually isn't more work, it's less interference. Set the plant up correctly, give it light, water it properly, then leave it alone and let it grow.
Gardening gets a lot easier once you stop overthinking it. If you're just getting started and want a simple foundation, I've put together a beginner gardening guide that covers the basics most people miss. You'll find it linked below.